Are they like thinking to be like Korean boy like that?
Do you mind? Do you mind getting the light, please? The light. Physics students, how do you have so much energy? Calm down.
Because they have a lot of homework.
Look at the business students. Look how tired they are.
They don't have any homework.
Yeah, they don't have homework. We have many homework. Yeah, we have also homework.
We had decided to
The business students are going to think you're weird.
They already do.
Too late, is it?
We are.
I'm proud of it. True. Thank you. I do my best. Okay, we'll continue. So, next lesson. Okay, so the good thing is the next lesson also is not so difficult. We're going to have a look at the area of a triangle. So we have two different formulas here for calculating the area. So the first one, I think everybody knows. So if this side here to here is the base, and this side, this height is h, then everybody, I hope, remembers this from middle school. It's a half the base by the height is the area here.
Yeah.
But the next formula I want to look at is, what do we do if we don't have the height? Yeah, if we have an angle instead. Well, Sean, where were you? You got up what? You got up late, not early. Okay, calm down. Okay, can I scroll down? Yep. Okay. Guys, come on. Now, what do we do if we have no height? Instead, we have something that looks like this. We have two of the sides, and we have this angle here. This is more normal, or more typical, I should say. So let's try and find a formula here for this situation. So what we'll do is I'll draw a line here, and I'll call this height h. And I can know that the area is a half the base by the height. But the problem is I don't know the height. But I do know that sine of c will equal the height over the hypotenuse, yeah. Which means here I can say that a sine c is equal to the height. So this is a half b a sine c, or in other words, I have this formula. Area is a half a b sine c. Okay, let's do a couple of simple examples and then let's look at some harder examples actually. Can I scroll down? Yeah. Yep. Okay, so let's do this one here. So I have a triangle. The base is 3 and the height is 7. So I'll give you a few seconds. Calculate the area. Yeah, what's as a decimal it's 10.5. Yeah, it's a half 3 by 7, which is 10.5. Okay, can I scroll down? No? Okay, scroll down. Right. Next one, let's draw this triangle. Let's say this side is 10, this side is 26, and this angle is 67.38 degrees. And again, I'd like the area here. So you'll need your calculator. I'll give you a minute. Okay, so this is a half, 10, 26, sine 67.38. What's that, please? 120? Yep, okay. Okay, write that one down. Let's have a look. Got this? Yeah. Can I scroll down? Yeah. Okay. So, next one now. Let me give you this triangle. Okay, so this is 58. This is 40. This is 46.4 degrees. And what I want, I'd like this height. Okay, try this now for a minute. Okay, do we have this? Yeah. The trick here, now there's a few ways to do this one. If you want to use area, you could do it, because we know that the area is a half, 40, 58, sine 46.4. We also know that the area is a half, 58 times h. So if you cancel the half 58 with the half 58, then we get the height is 40 sine 46.4. So what is 40 sine 46.4? Okay, so I'm going to make that at 29 then. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one. This side is 25, this side is 52, and this area is 630, and I want the angle here. 630 is the area. Okay, do we have this one? You have it, yeah. So we know that the area is a half 52, 25 sine theta equals 630. Okay, so that means sine theta equals 2 times 630 over 52 times 25. So that means theta is sine inverse 2 times 630 over 52 times 25. What's that now? 75 points. Now, do I wonder if I ask to round it off? So we'll say 76 then. Yeah. This one here? There you go. That was the last one. And oh, sorry, that was the last one. Sorry. Okay.
Could I ask?
Hmm?
Why did we put both sides and then?
Why did I make these sides equal? Because this is a formula for area and this is also a formula for area, and they both must give the same answer. So you know those two formulas I gave at the start? The half BH and the other one with the sign in it?
Yeah?
A half AB sine C.
Oh, yeah.
They must give the same answer because the area is the same. It doesn't matter which formula you use.
Thank you.
Can I scroll down? Okay, so here, let's start making them harder. This is an equilateral triangle. I'm sure somebody knows what that means. What's an equilateral triangle? Yeah, all the angles and all the sides, they're the same. So equilateral means this is the same, 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 this is the same. And I tell you, one of the sides is A. Okay, calculate the area. Give me the area now.
Sorry.
Okay, do we have the answer for this one? So the trick here is realizing what the angles are. If these angles are all the same, then they must be 60. So the area is a half A sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2, I think. So the answer is root 3 over 4 A squared. Okay, good. Right, next one now. So again, this is equilateral. This is equilateral, but this time I tell you it's an equilateral triangle with height h. Equilateral. Okay, can I scroll down a little bit? So I want the area again, please. Give me the area. Get an answer using H? What did you get? What? Pi? H over 2? Ah, but I only gave you H, which means the answer can only have H in it. Because I never told you this length was A. So the answer can only have H in it. What's your answer?
3 over 3 multiplied by
H squared over 3 multiplied by H squared? Are you sure?
root 3 over 3.
Okay, so you have H squared, yeah, over...
No.
Oh no, sorry.
Root 3 over 3.
Ah, H squared. Good. Okay, very good. Let's have a look now. Alright, one more minute. You got it now? Let's have a look. So if I call this side A, this side is A over 2 and this one is A over 2. I can use Pythagoras. A over 2 squared plus H squared equals A squared. So that means a quarter A squared plus H squared equals A squared. So H squared is 3/4 A squared. So H is root 3 over 4A. And the area is a half the base by the height, which is a half root 3 over 4A. What the heck? Sorry. I forgot what I was looking for. I was looking for A. So I should say A equals root 4 over 3H. That's better. Because I don't know A. I can't have A in my answer. So the area is a half the base by the height, which is a half root 4 over 3H by H, which is 2 over 2 root 3H squared. Cancel. H squared over root 3, and if you rationalize the denominator, multiply the top and the bottom by root 3, you end up with root 3 over 3H squared as the answer at the end here. Okay, can I? Not yet?
No, sorry.
Continue?
No, sorry.
I see a couple of people writing. Yeah? Okay. Does anybody know what this type of triangle is? Isosceles. Two sides are the same. So I'll give you this isosceles triangle. This side is A, this side is B, this side is B. And I want you to show that the area is a half A squared root b squared over a squared minus 1 over 4. English. You got it? That will make it difficult to get. Okay, do some people have this yet?
No.
Okay. Somebody got it? No, I see lots of confusion. Want to see it now? Yes? Did you get it, Sean? Okay, so you want to see it. Let's have a look. Okay, so I'll call this here H. So I can say A over 2 squared plus H squared equals B squared. So H squared is B squared minus a quarter A squared. So H is root B squared minus A squared over 4. Okay? So the area is a half AH. which is a half a root b squared minus a squared over 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I'm trying to get to this. So I'm not too far away, I nearly have it, but there's some things I need to do to try and get there. So, yeah, I'll take out here an a squared. So this is b squared over a squared minus 1 over 4. Because if I multiply these together, I do get back to that. Well, because this is a half a, and what's root a squared? A. B squared over a squared minus 1 over 4. That's a half a squared root b squared over a squared minus 1 over 4. Ends the proof. Ah, you look so unhappy with that. So unhappy. Yes. Are you unhappy about this?
Can we use another way?
Of course you can. What way did you do it?
I suppose this conclusion is right. So we this is yes.
Here, yeah, what did you suppose? Perpendicular?
1 over 2 a square root b. The formula of the area is right.
Uh-huh. Oh, I see. You supposed it's right.
Yeah.
And started from here.
Yeah.
And what was your result at the end?
And we know the area is 1 over 2 a h.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay, so you said this is 1 over 2 ah,
Yeah.
and then you found h.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cancel 1 over 2 and a.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So you went.
Because h.
That's fine. Yeah. So you went backwards. Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Can I scroll down? Yeah. Okay. Right. Here's another one now. I'll give you a triangle. Okay, let's do a hard one now. A very hard one. Okay, so you have a right angled triangle. I tell you that the smallest side is 3. So I'll call this the smallest side is 3. I'll also tell you that the area is 6. And I'll also tell you that the sides are in arithmetic progression. Yeah, AP. So this is 3 plus D, and this is 3 plus 2D. And I want you to find the other sides. So I want to know what is this and what is this. Yes, it's like that. And you have to do it. You can't guess the answer. Yeah, but did you guess the answer or did you work it out?
Guessing.
Ah, no, guessing's no good. I want to see the work. Did you work it out? Okay, let's have a look. If this side here is 3, this is 3 plus D, and this is 3 plus 2D, and the area is 6. And it's actually not that hard, because here we know a half the base by the height, that should equal 6. So what's that? 3 plus d, that goes in there twice. That's a 4. D is 1. So it's 3, 4, and 5 then. Okay, let's give you another one now. Can I scroll down? Okay. Right angle triangle. The area equals the perimeter equals 30. Do we know this word perimeter? Yeah, if this is A, this is B, this is C, perimeter is A plus B plus C. Yeah. Find A, B, C. It doesn't matter. You can choose. Got an answer? Oh, good. Good. Guess? No. That's bad. Got an answer? Okay, let's have a look here. Alright, one more minute. Okay. Get an answer? Okay. So, let's have a look. This side is A, this is B, this is C. We know that A plus B plus C equals 30. We also know that A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And we also know a half AB equals 30. Yep. So because we have 3 equations, we should be able to solve this. The real problem is, how do we put these together? What would be the easiest way to put them together? So let's have a look. A plus B plus C equals 30. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And AB equals 60. So we could change an A into a B or a B into an A. And these have ABC and ABC in them. So maybe we'll just do that. Maybe we'll say A is 60 over B. And put that here. And put it here. So we have 60 over B plus B plus C equals 30, yeah? 3,600 over B squared. What? What? What did you forget?
6 squared equals 6,000, yeah.
6,000? Oh no.
3,600.
Yeah.
But I call it 360.
Okay. 360. No, you missed a zero.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. I can. What would be best to do next? I think I could take the C here and put it in here. I think that would be best. So I can say C is 30 minus 60 over B minus B. So now I get 3600 over B squared plus B squared equals 30 minus 60 over B minus B squared. Okay, well at least I have only B now.
Yeah.
At least. But I still need to find the B here. So, alright. No, I know I can do it. I'm just trying to think what would be the easiest way to do it. Yeah.
I think there is
Go on, tell me. Should I go backwards?
okay.
How far?
A plus B equals 30 minus C.
A plus B equals 30 minus C, yeah?
And square. A plus B square equals...
Oh, stop! Thank you. That's a good way, yes. Okay, I'm going to go backwards. My good friend down the back has seen an easier way to do it. So here, you have A plus B equals 30 minus C. Oh, you see a 2 now. If you square both sides, that's what you're thinking of, yeah? You get A squared plus 2AB plus B squared equals 900 minus 60C plus C squared. Yeah? But A squared plus B squared, you see everybody sees it now, is C squared, and AB is 60. So this is C squared plus 120, because that's a 60. Is 900 minus 60C. And look, yeah. See, it's all just coming together now. So we get 60C equals 780.
B is 13.
Wonderful, wonderful. So C is 13. And if we, we see where this is going. And if I take the 13 and put it, where would I put this back in now? What would be the best way to get A and B now? I can now say A plus B equals 30 minus 13. That's 17? I can also say A squared plus B squared equals 169, yeah, and AB equals 60. Okay, so you'll end up getting 5 and 12 probably for A and B. Nice. Makes me happy. Okay, write this one down. Okay. Got that? Yeah. Because it was a half AB is 30 originally, so.
You do know the angle is triangle half 60 is 30 and 90 centimeters.
But we don't know that it's 60, 90 and 30. Oh, if you knew the angles, yeah, you could use the sine, cos and tan, it'd be easier. But I didn't give you any of the angles. Okay, can I scroll down? Yeah. Check something here. Right, well I want you to try, and I'll give you 2 minutes, and it's going to be your homework. I'll just give you one question for homework. So I just want you to try number 12. Number 12, just. You can start it now, and if you get it finished, then that's it. So just try this for 2 minutes.
You don't need more? No more. More? No.
Okay, try and get that last one finished at home if you haven't finished it, okay? And remember, Monday is the maths coursework. This is why I repeat myself. Yes, Monday is the maths coursework.